Understanding civic virtue. A key to community. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating concept that plays a vital role in our communities: civic virtue. We'll break down what it means, why it's important, and how it applies to our daily lives. So, let's dive in and discover the significance of civic virtue together. Civic virtue is the behavior of individuals that contributes to the well-being of the community. It involves putting the common good above individual interests, participating actively in public affairs, and demonstrating moral character in one's actions. Civic virtue is about being a responsible and active member of society. Why is civic virtue important? It's the glue that holds society together. It encourages us to engage in our communities, to vote, to obey laws, and to volunteer. When we practice civic virtue, we contribute to a healthier, more cooperative, and more democratic society. Let's look at some real-life examples. Voting in elections shows that you care about the future of your community. Volunteering at local shelters demonstrates compassion and a willingness to help those in need. Following laws and regulations reflects respect for the structures of our society. These actions embody the spirit of civic virtue and show how we can all make a positive impact. Cultivating civic virtue can start with small steps. Stay informed about local and national issues. Participate in community discussions or town hall meetings. Help out in community improvement projects. These efforts help build a strong foundation of civic virtue within us and around us. I hope this video has shed some light on the concept of civic virtue and inspired you to take part in the collective endeavor of building a better society. Remember, each small act of virtue contributes to a greater good. So, let's all strive to be exemplary citizens. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to practice civic virtue in your daily life.